Hi there, I'm Tami from Halton Hills Public Library, and today I am going to show you how to do one of our grab and go kits. This one is it's called the Matryoshka dolls, also known as the Russian nesting dolls, and it's going to be one where you lace up the cards. We've got these beautiful printouts that you'll pick up at the library, and inside your kit you will get one of these, a piece of yarn, and when you get home I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've kind of started one already. You have to take a hole punch and punch out these little holes, or just like so, and they're marked right on here, so you can just punch away if you like. You can also, if you don't have a hole punch, you could use a pencil or a pen, which is what I've done here. Just go along, punch it out, and it works really well as well. And your next step you're going to do is cut it out, which I've also started to do here. So you just go along the doll till she's all ready, all the way around. And there she is, our very beautiful Matryoshka doll. And you're going to take your yarn. This happens to be some excellent yarn that comes in the kit. You don't really need to worry about the end there, but if you are worried, you could take a piece of tape and just tape on the end so it doesn't unravel, like so. And twirl it up, and you're all set. Then you can just start with your little stitches. So the first one we're gonna tie off so it doesn't come undone. Make a little knot. And then we're just gonna carry on and lace it up. So we're gonna go under and through and pull it all the way. And then we're gonna do it again. And we're gonna go round and round. And our yarn is going to get shorter and shorter, and our doll is going to get fancier and fancier. Here we go. Do one more so you'll get the idea. Through the bottom, out through the top, and around and around. This is great for your motor skills. I hope you'll enjoy it. Bye, everybody.